24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano basically is floating at $528,158,337 in an unpretentious manner. ADA in every practical sense acquired roughly 1.98% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Cardano's EM810 generally shows a vertical pattern, which truly is genuinely critical. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the genuinely past week, acquiring 17.51% in an in every practical sense, significant way. 11 November 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually basically got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What most certainly is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Cardano, in a real sense, is ADA an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on, which fundamentally is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the ADA specialized examination, really let us sort of discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an especially huge manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,410,776,640,034, pretty further appearance how 11 November 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Cardano cost investigation for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is in every practical sense, transient cost expectation for Cardano, most certainly is ADA a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $65,076,358,619, showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole digital currency market to $1,410,776,640,034, certainly further appearance how 11 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Cardano cost investigation for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on some things, facts, what for the most part is essentially transient cost expectation for Cardano, generally is ADA a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which really is genuinely critical. Which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94% in a kind of significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value decline of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time span in a truly significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 2.28 and as of now exchanging at 67 cents, or so they fundamentally thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions show that the market for the most part is going in a very descending heading for truly present moment, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano certainly is drifting at $528,158,337, or so they fundamentally thought. Right now, a for the most part broad truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Cardano pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense, past week acquiring 17.51% in a by and large enormous manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to for the most part recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Showing how Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which vendors in a real sense move in every way that really matters, dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in an unpretentious manner. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA truly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.98% in truly most recent 24 hours, fundamentally further appearance how Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they by and large thought. The exceptionally current worth of Cardano in every practical sense is drifting at 38 cents, with the exchanging volume of $528,158,337 United States dollars in the equivalent time span in a for the most part significant manner. The fundamentally by and large market cap for ADA explicitly is $13,504,602,664 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 17.51% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 11 November 2023, insight in every practical sense, day-to-day time period really made sense of beneath, which in a real sense shows that however prior to plunging profound into the ADA specialized examination, certainly let us for the most part discuss the essentially current economic situations, which explicitly is very huge. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Cardano. Fundamentally further appearance how following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA. Cardano execution ADA explicitly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.98% in most recent 24 hours, additional appearance how Cardano support and opposition levels, and so forth in a quite enormous manner. The ADA United States dollar moving pretty normal union and difference, MACD, pointer, generally is showing a kind of present moment, by and large sell pretty sign, as the MACD line certainly is moving underneath fundamentally signal line which for the most part implies basically bears most certainly are overwhelming on the lookout, which explicitly is very huge. While ADA's Williams %R marker truly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, really signal generally is entirely conceivable at this reach, certainly further appearance, how XRP the exceptionally local coin of XRP, for the most part is up by 2.28 and right now exchanging at 67 cents, which especially is very huge. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and truly is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, which for the most part shows that Cardano pick up bullish speed over the past week acquiring 17.51% in an unpretentious manner. The quick obstruction for ADA is explicitly found at 40 cents, and a breakout from this level could fundamentally leads towards the